level of agreement. For example, study habits and strategies, antecedent factors, meaning before, no, these were pre-identified factors na and we check the respondents on their level of agreement here. So for example, I regularly review lecture notes and textbooks, highly agreed. I participated in study groups or discussion forums, highly agreed. Online resources and practice exams, strongly agreed. Created and used flashcards, agreed. Practice with sample questions, strongly agreed. And clarifications from instructors and mentors, agree. Overall agreement nila is 4.17 or they agree to the antecedent factors. Now, I would like to point out yung dalawang strongly agreed study habits dito. Una is online resources and practice exam. So this is where the content mastery comes in. Kasi here at IPAS, we are advocates of concept mastery first and then test-taking strategies after. So, these were agreed, no? Sakto yung ating assumptions dito kasi I practice example questions. This was also strongly agreed by the respondents. High yung kanilang agreement. So, this will tell us that this validates our advocacy here at IPAS na concept mastery and practice questions, those are perfect formula for you to pass the examinations. Alright? Now, dito naman sa personal factors natin. Motivations. Okay. I consider myself to be highly motivated individual. Agreed. Okay. Handle stress and pressure well. Agreed. Consider myself healthy. Okay. Agreed. And felt confident about passing the NCLEX. Agreed. Okay. Now, kung titingnan mo, this is like the areas of where our program would like to address. Yung kumbaga maging holistic. We are trying to address yung personal factors nila. Yung motivations nila. Okay. That is why we have our Hope Talk. Stress management. That is why we have our wellness sessions and anxiety management classes. Okay. Health status, meron din nga wellness session din related. And confidence level, meron tayong anxiety management program plus coaching. So these are areas that we want to address here at IPAS, all right, because we wanted to focus on the study habits and then improving or helping them in their personal factors related to passing the NCLEX.